Gerakan Sekolah Menyenangkan, berubah, berbagi, kolaborasi. I first came to Indonesia with GSM in 2014. The change in the schools that we've seen is immense, really. We've had some of the first classrooms I walked into, it didn't look like they were being used for teaching. They just were a concrete room with some tables and nothing else, and we thought that was spare rooms. Now the difference we've seen in the classrooms, they really show character of the students, of the teacher, and even now of the parents too. We're seeing the parent involvement in setting that up so that the children have a really positive and safe space to move into. The really good thing that we're noticing in the last couple of years is that we can start to talk about pedagogy. Teachers are feeling more confident about behaviour management, and now they're starting to talk about pedagogy and how to teach. So there's some really rich conversations about what a really productive way to teach is.